Right, what I've done is I've taken a jar and a piece of wire and I've managed to go around 3 times. And it is a green wire, so that's fine. And then I've twisted it at the end. So just wrap it round so that's big enough for my bauble. I'm just going to undo it a couple because I need to push that underneath and do that way and then twist it again. That'll secure that. And then what I've got here is I need to, what did I do with my pliers? There they are. I need to make these the same, or as near as, damn it. Take my pliers, and what I'm going to do is bend that and bend that. It is flexible wire. And then take the 2 pieces together and then twist those like that. I'm taking off as much as I can. And then flatten that. So that's fine. And what I'm going to do now is take these and I'm just going to thread them through. So we'll just do that with them. Just pull them through like that. And I'll just put on as many as I feel I like, I want, or whatever. There you go. Right, so let's see how we want it. So that's about halfway. Look, I mean, you can do anything. You could do what do you call them things you hang in your window? I don't know what they're called. I can't remember. It's gone out of my head. Right, anyway, so I'm just going to put a bit of glue on there, take the last piece that I had and wrap that around like that. A bit more. It is like a stretch lace as well, so it's fine. It should cover it all. I'm going to put a little bit more glue on there, which will hold it all in place. And that'll protect that. Right, I'm just going to put a bit more glue on that. And then we can wrap that around. And hopefully that'll do nicely. There, it's just like, hang on, let me get this. Just that over there. And then take my little scissors and snip that off. That's fine. I'm fine with that. Now what I was going to try and do was to balance in here. One of that's, is that too, no, it's too big. So I'm going to put in a little tree like that. And I can do that, can't I? Yeah. It's just as a decoration. You know, you can put anything you want in them. Oops, a daisy. Just pop that on. And then I've got a little deer. Got a smaller one. Look at this cute little thing. Right. Let me just see if we can get this on quickly. Like that. Hey. Look, a little deer. And I think I'm going to put this on. Because it's this one. The colours will match. Like that there. And that is perfectly good enough to go on a Christmas tree. Look. I mean, I could titivate it all up more myself. I'm just going to take the gold flower off of this and pop that on this side here. There. Just felt like it needed something there. See? And you've got a shabby chic. I mean, I could have, you can do it. Cover this up. But you've got a little shabby chic one. Just making sure they're roughly all the same. Oh, and then, oh look, I've got a star. Let me just see. Now, what's this? I've got a star. Oh, bells. Look at that. I've got some bells. Let me just see what else. Yeah. These are better. They're a bit darker. Look. Now, what's wrong with that? Different. I probably would have done that with ribbon and that. And I could have put ribbon in between. There's nothing wrong with that hanging on a tree. I like that. You can do all sorts. Just use your imagination. I really like that, actually. Right, I'm back. Now, I've put them in. See? Just for extra fill it out a little bit. But I absolutely love it. That's it. You bring it down. So it's about the same. There, like that. So I hope that's helpful. I think it's gorgeous. And we could do with one here, but I put that on instead. But never mind. You know, brilliant. I just want to find something for here. I'm just going to put that in the middle of the snowflake. It needed to pop. That's it. That's all it needed. So I hope that's helpful. And just to give you ideas. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.